So hello my lovely subscribers, welcome in today's video. Maniriza mu video yaffe elunaku olwaleero. In the previous series we looked at common phrases in level 1. So we are continuing with level 2, the common phrases in English and Luganda. Tugenda kulaba ezimu ku mboozi ezikozesebwa mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Don't forget here at Benny 178 we learn English and Luganda with ease. Wano tuyiga olulimi Oluzungu, which is English, n'Oluganda mu bwangu. Okay, let's jump into it. Number 1 is nkulamusiza nyabo oba nkulamusiza sebo. So you use one of the two. Whenever you meet a woman, you say nyabo. Whenever you meet a man, you say sebo. So nkulamusiza nyabo. So this is one of the ways how we greet in Luganda. Nkulamusiza nyabo. Nkulamusiza sebo. This means greetings to you, madam. Greetings to you, sir. So madam, nyabo. Sa, sebo. So nkulamusiza nyabo, nkulamusiza sebo. Greetings to you, madam or sir. Obadde ogamba ki? Obadde ogamba ki? So this means, what were you saying? Obadde ogamba ki? What were you saying? Like someone has asked you something and you haven't heard clearly. Like someone has told you something and you haven't heard clearly. So you say, what were you saying in English? And this in Luganda is obadde ogamba ki? You can say obadde ogamba ki bambi. Obadde ogamba ki. So what were you saying, please? Like to be pardoned. So obadde ogamba ki? What were you saying? Okay, let's proceed. Number 3 we have okola ki kati. Are we together? Okola ki kati. Okola ki kati. So this means in English, what are you doing now? So now is kati in Luganda. Okay, so okola ki kati. What are you doing now? Hope we are together. Okay, let's proceed. We have gwe omwesiga ye. Gwe, you, gwe omwesiga ye. Remember we looked at pronouns. We say pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns. So ye refers to he or she. So this in English is, do you trust him? So him can refer to him or her. So do you trust him or her? Gwe omwesiga ye. Do you trust him or do you trust her? Yeah, let's proceed. Ochitunda sente meka. This is a common phrase. Ochitunda sente meka. Are we together? So this means, how much do you sell it? Ochitunda, selling is okutunda. Ochitunda sente meka. How much do you sell it? And a question mark. Kyononese. 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 It is spoiled. Kyononese. It means it is spoiled in English. Number 8 we have waliwo obuzibu mwonna. Waliwo obuzibu bwonna. Once again, waliwo obuzibu bwonna. Is there any problem? Once again, waliwo obuzibu bwonna. This in English is there any problem? Is there any problem? For instance, you're asking someone whether there is a problem. So, is there any problem? Waliwo obuzibu bwonna. Hope we are together. Let's proceed. Number 9 is maliriza. This is double Z. Maliriza okunaaba. Maliriza okunaaba. So you're talking about yourself. Maliriza okunaaba. This in English is, I have finished bathing. Bathing is okunaaba in Luganda. So I have finished maliriza. For instance, you don't want to say bathing and you say food. Maliriza okulya. I have finished eating. Hope we are together. Let's have another example. Like, you finished playing. I have finished playing football. Maliriza okusamba omupiira. But in this case, we have maliriza okunaaba. I have finished bathing. Hope we are together. Okay, let's proceed. Oli mulungi nnyo. This is very common. Oli mulungi nnyo. Oli mulungi nnyo. This means you are so beautiful or you are very beautiful. oli mulungi nnyo. So this phrase is mostly used to our beloved ones. For example, your lady, oli mulungi nnyo. You are so beautiful. Okay, let's proceed. We have number 11, ndi mwetegefu. Ndi mwetegefu. Ndi mwetegefu. I am prepared. I am prepared. Ndi mwetegefu. So you are ready. Ndi mwetegefu. I am prepared. Nze netegese. Ndi mwetegefu. Okay, number 12 we have ogenda kulya ki. Remember I looked at eating. Eating is okulya. So ogenda kulya ki. What are you going to eat? Ogenda kulya ki. What are you going? Ogenda kulya ki. What are you going to eat? For instance, you are in a restaurant and you want to, someone has asked you, what are you going to eat? Ogenda kulya ki. He or she will say, ogenda kulya ki nyabo. Ogenda kulya ki sebo. What are you going to eat, sir? What are you going to eat, madam? So ogenda kulya ki. And you reply, ngenda kulya mere. Ngenda kulya this. So ogenda kulya ki. What are you going to eat? Okay, let's proceed. Chitwale, this is common. Chitwale. Take it. You can have it. Take it. Chitwale. Take it. Very simple. Take it means chitwale. The next phrase is God is good. God is good all the time. So God is good. This is Mukama mulungi. Are we together? Mukama. So Mukama is good. Mukama mulungi. God is good. And you reply all the time. Ekiseera kyonna. Mukama mulungi. God is good all the time. Ekiseera kyonna. Okay, let's proceed. The last one is byonna mu Yesu. Byonna mu Yesu. And this is all in Jesus. All in Jesus. Byonna mu Yesu. All in Jesus. Hope we are together. Okay, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. This channel is Benny 2178. You can subscribe for more videos and press the notification icon such that you don't miss out any of my videos when I post them. Hope you've got something. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye.